Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, it's been a good week for that. So, wait, am I going first? Awesome. As you can see, I'm playing Studiax. Woohoo! Studiax. Studiax in 2019, bro. That's how we do it. I should do really well. He's gonna affect Payload. Or Ash it. I see a Nash, a Payload. He would have had a Payload like that. That's fine. I could be one of that Payload. Nah, there's no reason to do that. Oof, man, I just fucking banished most of my Zodiacs. That's the reason Pot of Extravagance isn't really that great in Zodiacs, but you have to have it. You have to have some extra draw power to make this deck work. You know what? I have a 2800 beat stick who banishes shit, and I have a Ash and a Phalo in hand, so I'm good. I didn't minus. Solomon great. Oh shit. Okay, that's fine. Yep, that's pick a sell. People are playing this Studiax because that because they think it's gonna get hit when it's not. But anywho, where have I been? Well, I've been going through deep depression lately, and I just been trying to take some time for myself, so I can. So I've been taking a break from YouTube for quite a while. Okay, it still gets negated. Not being able to search for the field spell sucks. And I believe he can't use it again. So he doesn't have access to Sanctuary for the time. It's amazing that you need so many hand traps to stop this deck. If I had Joe and Lockwood, it actually would have worked really well. He's making awkward plays because of the Ash Beta though, so I mean that's fine. Anyway, so yeah, I've been dealing with some depression and whatnot, so I've been away for a while. Been gone for almost a month now. 3 weeks, 4 weeks now. I don't remember the last time I uploaded. It's been a long time. Upgrade Gemma, once per turn. Oh, da 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 da. Okay. Transco talker to affect my ring. Da, da, da. Okay. What? Ugh. What's what battle doing? You can activate the effect and get all other cards. Fucking bull. Eh. I'll do another one. This was what, 4 minutes? You really do need a lot of hand traps in this kind of a format. Which is fine. I don't mind. I just don't know what I think. I play Infinite Impermanence. I play like 3 Ash, 3 Fatal, 3 Impermanence. Uh, this is Mystic Frogs. Like Mystic Mine with some frogs in it. I play some competitive. So, anyway, because of my depression, I got into some dark places that I shouldn't. Luckily, my wife was there to help. Sorry about that. I am trying to keep my cat awake because he kept me up all night long, and he's gonna sleep tonight. Not right now. So anyway, but yeah, so I opened well. Man, this hand is insane. No, I do not want to chain. Speaking of my beautiful wife, man, I made my cat wet. I like making my pussy wet. I soaked fan. I love you, baby. Yep, she knows. She knows what's up. Um, but yeah, so actually, I'm gonna use the filter first because it alters the draw if this. Hold on, wake up, wake up. Anywho, so I do not know what to make. I guess this. Anyway, but yeah, so I was having some depression issues, so I decided to take a break from YouTube and just isolate myself from everything and everybody, just about, except for my wife, obviously, and the people I live with currently, just in case I get another spell, another Sky Striker spell card to help. Actually, I'm going to get another one, but y'all know what I mean. I think I'm gonna get this. Just give me some negation. I could, make this, add the spell card back to my hand, and then not use it this turn, and, get another one to my hand. Save it for next turn. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Since it's no longer in my graveyard, you know, I can search for another engage and the next turn use double engage, which is so stupid. By then, I should have 3 spell cards in my grave, and I'm going to go plus trillions of cards. Yeah. Yeah. I'm good. Unless you gotta move my camera over here. Out of the way of the door. I know. There we go. That's good. So anyway, so that's where I've been, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna do another YouTube video ever again. But my wife got me out of it, kinda. That was actually really, really dumb, Joel. Man, the blessing is so crazy good. One turn, you got one face up monster on the field. Aww. Only face up monsters. Well, that kinda sucks. Like, that was an awful draw, but oh well. I'm not gonna use that. There's no reason to. I guess get this. Draw a card, yes. Terraforming, just so I won't draw into the field spell. So you can see I am going off, just drawing a shit ton of cards and just plussing crazy. That was like the worst possible draw I could have gotten, of course. There's no way I'm gonna activate card demise. Actually, I can't even add it. I don't know what I'm thinking. Basically, I think this one is like, I play like a trillion spell cards. Just, Actually, should have played the guy who attacks direct. Oh well. Meeting with eyes blue. Okay. Who plays? Okay, so I'm playing against blue eyes. Cool. I guess. I don't know. My hair's a mess. I know. I'm sorry, y'all guys. I need to get my hair cut. But when you live in the middle of nowhere, it's hard to find a place to get your hair cut. This card is actually pretty good in a lot of things, like Dark Magician. It's pretty good in Dark Magician. It's good in Sky Strikers, obviously. This card probably should be hit to one. I feel like searching for it. This dumping 3 spell cards to the graveyard is not fair. Since it's not gonna do me no good anyway. It's this one. Okay. And then use this on this. I mean, just doing direct damage is quite good. And I'm decked in and just doing a lot of good things. I think I'm gonna send this. Probably shouldn't, but oh well. 1500 is actually quite a bit. Dang. Cool. Is that gonna be the only card he sets? Yeah, I think I'm gonna Twin Twister it because I don't wanna. I don't want it to be something. There's so many ways to get rid of this card if you draw it, so it's kind of cool. Shit. Oh well. I can still get rid of it with multi-roll. And then get a draw off of it, so it's pretty good. Using this is pretty much an extra draw every turn. So most people don't realize that you can card on my says for the rest of the turn. Right? So essentially you don't have to you can attack do 1500 damage and then you get special summon for the rest of the time, but you can draw 3 cards, which is crazy good. Yeah, that 1500 adds up, bro. I'm telling you, that shit adds up quick. So, I'm gonna end my turn. So this video is almost over because I only have 15 minutes now. If I want to help make that videos longer again, think about supporting me on Patreon. I know I haven't shut out my Patreon in a while. I do still have it. So I would appreciate that very much. Can I out that? I'm trying to think. Can I out it? Oh yeah. Yes, I can. I guess. Because I usually get already special summon at once, but so you can't